Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your affiliates with Etsy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your affiliates with Etsy, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to your Shop Manager dashboard. Click on the Marketing tab in the left menu. Select Affiliates from the drop-down options. Review the list of your current affiliates. Identify the affiliates you want to recover. Check their latest activity reports to understand their performance. Reach out to those affiliates through direct messaging. Personalize your message by acknowledging their past contributions. Encourage them to re-engage by highlighting new products or promotions. Offer exclusive discounts or incentives for their efforts. Provide them with updated marketing materials if needed. Follow up after your initial message to gauge their interest. Set a timeline for your campaign to keep the affiliates focused. Monitor the performance of your recovered affiliates closely. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and results. Maintain regular communication to foster long-term relationships. By effectively reaching out, you can successfully recover your affiliates with Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.